What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully everybody's having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see in front of me, we're talking about some more fire from MJ, the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Years, which dropped last Saturday. Let me know in the comment section if you guys went after these, if you guys copped them. You guys might have been able to get a pair. They had them at a lot of different places. And some places still out here in LA still have them in different sizes. Not too much smaller sizes, but the bigger sizes might be available. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section. Please smash the like button. Try to get the video to at least 100 likes. Share the video. Let everybody in the world know about your boy Bossco. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And, without further ado, let's get into these shoes, you dig? I understand that I'm late to the game as far as doing a video on these. I had these in the stash for a minute, but just had so many other things going on, so I'm sure you see plenty of reviews on these shoes. But I just want to give you guys my take on them and just see what you guys are thinking in the comment section. The engagement is important. I love the feedback. I like to know what the world out there is thinking about these shoes, because people are watching all over the world. Shout out to everybody in all the countries, man. Philippines, Australia, Romania, where else have I seen? The Caribbean, Japan. Shout out to everybody, Canada. Shout out to everybody in the United States. Man, big ups to everybody who takes a second out their day or some minutes, 10, 5, however many minutes the video is, to watch your boy Bossco. If you are enjoying the content and this video, hit the like button as always. Subscribe to the channel and share the video. These things right here are pretty fire, man. The Jordan 1 Rookie of the Years are a shoe that I think even though they were pretty anticipated, a lot of people went after them. I still think they were kind of slept on by a lot of people. It's just that there's so many Jordan 1 heads to go ahead and snatch them up. A lot of people didn't realize the quality on these shoes and how good they were made. For me, they have a lot of white going on, the midsole, which a lot of Jordan 1s do. And for me, it's not the best thing, because I just don't like to be so conscious of keeping my shoes, extra clean all the time. White shoes show a lot of dirt fast, and I move around all the time. I just want to keep my shoes as fresh as possible. That's just my personal thing. But the quality on these are fire, and Jordan 1s over time will go up in value for those of you guys who like to just collect shoes and sit on them and get rid of them, later on. But the suede on here is too buttery. It's fire. The leather on here is plush. They did a great job with this shoe. I want to know what you guys think about it. I love the details on the inside of the tabs. One that shows his rookie stats, as well as part of his award speech when he won the Rookie of the Year, 1984 to 85 Rookie of the Year, 2,313 points, and he averaged 28.2 points a game as a rookie. Not many people doing it like that, man. That's greatness in itself. But let me know what you guys think about these greatness in these shoes. I'm telling you, the quality, the smell. I love the smell of new shoes, just like a new car smell. It's fire. And these shoes are, like I said, just as a whole, the suede is plush. I know some people will probably do things to rock and pull these down and rock with them flapped out. How would you guys rock them? And if you guys do own a pair, would you guys be including these red laces? I think the red laces will add a different touch to the shoe. Haven't seen nobody really yet with the red laces. I've always seen people use just the standard black ones that come with it. But let me know if you guys out there who have a pair, would you guys, or anybody in general, if you guys own these pair or want to own these pair, would you guys wear them with the red laces, both black laces, or one red, one black? How would you guys lace them up? I like to switch things up like that too. I would put red laces in one and black in the other, just to do what I want to do. You feel me? It's all about how you feel like rocking the shoes, and it's your money. You take your time to spend on these things. Fire shoe right here though. Grade A quality of the shoe. I rated maybe a 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10. The quality is dope. The colorway is fire, but too much white on here. That's why I would go like an 8 out of 10. But I don't know, man. That's just my personal opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's been great. I would definitely see you guys more in new videos coming. And shout out once again to everybody who comes through in the live stream, man. That means a lot. We get to sit there, chop it up about games, shoes, basketball, everything, man. So if you haven't already, make sure you pay attention and come join at the live streams here on YouTube. It's your boy Bossco once again. It's been great. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Peace.
Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Cook it, cut it, measure it, crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Cook it, cut it, measure it, crack. That's that crack music, crack music. That's crack, young, that's all you need. Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, crack. crack. That's that crack music, crack. Said that's crack, youngin'. That's all you need. Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, sell it. Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it. I done had it out since the towers left. Y'all steady complaining. It's been a motherfucking drought since the towers left. I couldn't give the same price. Couldn't give the same right.